The main organ of the respiratory system is option A nose, option B lungs, option C trachea, option D diaphragm. The correct answer is option B lungs. The lungs are the primary organs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between air and blood. The process of breathing in is called option A expiration, option B exhalation, option C inspiration, option D respiration. The correct answer is option C inspiration. Inspiration refers to act of taking air into the lungs during breathing. The voice box is also known as option A trachea, option B pharynx, option C larynx, option D bronchus. The correct answer is option C larynx. The larynx contains vocal cords which vibrate to produce sound, hence called the voice box. The small air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs are called option A alveoli, option B bronchioles, option C bronchi, option D capillaries. The correct answer is option A alveoli. Alveoli are tiny sacs that facilitate oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange within the surrounding capillaries. Which part of the brain controls breathing? Option A cerebrum, option B medulla oblongata, option C cerebellum, option D pons. The correct answer is option B medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata regulates the rhythm and depth of breathing automatically. The next question. The windpipe is known as option A pharynx, option B trachea, option C larynx, option D bronchus. The correct answer is option B trachea. The trachea connects the larynx to the bronchi and allows air passes to the lungs. The trachea connects the larynx to the bronchi, allows air passes to the lungs. During inhalation, the diaphragm option A relaxes and move up, option B contracts and move down, option C remains stationary, option D contract and move up. The correct answer is option B contract and moves down. When the diaphragm contracts, it moves downward, increasing the thoracic cavity and drawing air into the lungs. Oxygen is transported in the blood mainly by option A plasma, option B white blood cells, option C hemoglobin, option D platelets. The correct answer is option C hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen in red blood cells, transporting it to body tissues. The next, the exchange of gases between blood and tissues is called option A external respiration, option B internal respiration, option C cellular respiration, option D ventilation. The correct answer is option B internal respiration. Internal respiration is the gas exchange process that occurs between capillaries and body cells. The number of blowups in the right lung is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 1. The correct answer is option B 3. The right lungs consist of three lobes, superior, middle, and inferior lobe. Superior lobe, middle lobe, and inferior lobe. Which of the following filters, warms, and moistens the air we breathe? Option A lungs, option B nose, option C larynx, option D bronchi. The correct answer is option B nose. The nose filters out dust and pathogens and also warms and humidifies the air before it reaches. The respiratory pigment in human is option A chlorophyll, option B hemocyanin, option C hemoglobin, option D myoglobin. The correct answer is option C hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an iron containing protein in red blood cells that binds oxygen. Hemoglobin is an iron containing protein in red blood cells that binds oxygen. The smallest airways in the lungs are option A bronchi, option B bronchioles, option C alveoli, option D trachea. The correct answer is option B bronchioles. Bronchioles are tiny airways that branch from bronchi and end in alveoli. The next question. Which gas is exhaled during respiration? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. The correct answer is option B carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, is expelled during exhalation. Carbon dioxide expelled during exhalation. The normal rate of breathing in an adult is about option A 6 to 8 per minute, option B 10 to 12 per minute, 12 to 20 per minute, 20 to 30 per minute. The correct answer is option C 12 to 20 breaths per minute. A normal resting adult breathes 12 to 20 times per minute. The structure that prevents food from entering the respiratory tract is option epiglottis, option B trachea, option C pharynx, option D larynx. The correct answer is option epiglottis. The epiglottis closes over the glottis during swallowing, prevents food from entering the airway. The movement of air into and out of the lungs is called option A ventilation, option B inspiration, option C respiration, option D circulation. The correct answer is option A ventilation. Ventilation involves the physical movement of air in and out of the lungs. The main muscle involved in breathing is option A heart, option B diaphragm, option C abdominal muscle, option D intercostal muscle. The correct answer is option D B diaphragm. The diaphragm is the major muscle responsible for lung expansion and contraction during breathing. Which organ connects the throat to the lungs? Option A pharynx, option B trachea, option C larynx, option D bronchus. The correct answer is option B trachea. The trachea serves as a passage connecting the larynx and bronchi, conducting air into the lungs. The process by which cells use oxygen to produce energy is option A internal respiration, option B cellular respiration, option C pulmonary ventilation, option D external respiration. The correct answer is option B cellular respiration. Cellular respiration occurs within the cells where oxygen is used to release energy from nutrients. The left lung has option A 1 lobe, option B 2 lobes, option C 3 lobes, option D 4 lobes. The correct answer is option B 2 lobes. The left lung has 2 lobes to provide space for the heart. The left lung has 2 lobes to provide space for the heart. The pleura is option A type of alveolus, option B a membrane surrounding the lungs, option C a bronchial branch, option D a respiratory enzyme. The correct answer is option option B a membrane surrounding lungs. The pleura is a double layer membrane that protects and lubricates the lungs. Which of the following is not a part of the upper respiratory tract? Option A nose, option B pharynx, option C larynx, option D trachea. The correct answer is option D trachea. The upper respiratory tract includes the nose, pharynx and larynx. The trachea is the part of lower tract. The main function of cilia in the respiratory tract is option A to help in gas exchange, to trap dust and microbes, option C to produce sound, option to increase lung volume. The correct answer is option B to trap dust and microbes. Cilia moves mucus and trapped particles out of the airways, keeping them clean. The structure that divides the two lungs is called option A pleura, option B diaphragm, option C mediastinum, option D bronchus. The correct answer is option C mediastinum. The mediastinum separates the lungs and contains the heart, trachea, and major vessels. Thank you all.